Look up at the sky for a moment and imagine that everything you see is only a tiny fraction of what truly exists. Every star, every galaxy, every glowing speck of light is part of a story so huge that our entire world could vanish and the universe would not even notice. Today, you and I are taking a journey from Earth to the farthest edge of the observable universe, a journey so massive that it stretches across billions of light years, billions of planets, and billions of unknown worlds. You will see things no human has ever seen with their own eyes. You will witness beauty, danger, creation, and destruction on a cosmic scale. And by the time we return, your view of life and your place in the universe might be changed forever. So hold your breath, because what comes next is not just a journey, it's a revelation. Number 1. Earth. Our starting point. Our journey begins on Earth, the tiny blue world that holds every memory, every moment. Every human who has ever lived Earth feels huge to us. Oceans, mountains, continents, yet from space it looks fragile, like a delicate marble shining in darkness. Astronauts often say that seeing Earth from orbit transforms them. They no longer see countries or borders, only one home shared by all living things. This effect, called the overview effect, makes you realize something powerful. Everything we argue about, everything we fear, everything we chase exists on a tiny floating dot. And yet this tiny dot is rare. We have searched thousands of planets, and so far none are like Earth. It is a cosmic miracle, a sanctuary. But even this miracle is only the first step on our journey, because Earth is smaller than a grain of sand compared to the universe around it. So the question becomes, if Earth is this small, what unimaginable things lie beyond? Number 2. Breaking into space. To leave Earth, we must cross the Kármán line, the invisible boundary that marks the beginning of space. Rockets must fight gravity with unbelievable force, burning through most of their fuel in just minutes. As the sky fades from blue to black, we enter a world with no air, no sound, and no warmth. The silence is absolute. The cold is deadly, and the void stretches endlessly. Yet humanity keeps pushing forward, because curiosity is programmed into our DNA. In space, there is no up or down, only movement in every direction. Here, the smallest mistake can end a mission. Yet the smallest discovery can change human history. This moment marks the beginning of real exploration. A reminder that the greatest achievements begin when we step outside our comfort zone. Number 3. The Moon, humanity's first step beyond home. Next, we reach the Moon. A silent, dead world with no air, no wind, and no life. Its surface is covered with craters from billions of years of cosmic impacts. In 1969, when Apollo 11 landed here, humanity changed forever. For the first time, humans walked on a world that was not their own. Armstrong's step was not just a moment in history, it was a message to the universe: we are coming. The Moon is harsh, its temperature swings are extreme, and there is no protection from radiation. But it represents our first great leap into the unknown. And when astronauts looked back at Earth floating in darkness, they felt something indescribable, a sense of unity and vulnerability. The Moon showed humanity that we can leave our home, but it also reminded us how precious our home really is. Number 4. Mars, the future home of humanity. Now we travel deeper into the solar system until the red planet Mars comes into view. Mars is cold, dry, and deadly, but it is filled with possibilities. Its ancient riverbeds and frozen water suggest it once had conditions for life, and maybe could again. NASA's rovers, Perseverance and Curiosity, explore the planet searching for signs of microbial life. Mars is a world that could one day become a backup for humanity, a second home, a place to start again. This idea alone gives Mars a special place in our journey. It represents survival, resilience, and rebirth. But reaching Mars is not easy. The trip takes months. Radiation is dangerous, and landing is one of the hardest challenges in space. Still, humans dream of walking on this planet, and someday that dream will become reality. Number 5. The asteroid belt. Cosmic dangers and ancient secrets past. Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky fragments, leftovers from the birth of the solar system. Some are tiny, others are hundreds of kilometers wide, all traveling at tremendous speeds. One collision with an asteroid could end a spacecraft or even a planet. Yet inside this dangerous region lies the story of our solar system's origin. Metals, minerals, water, and materials that formed planets billions of years ago. NASA's DART mission proved for the first time that we can nudge an asteroid off its path, giving humanity a shield against future threats. The asteroid belt is a reminder that space is not calm. It is chaotic, violent, and unpredictable, but it is also full of knowledge and resources that may shape our future. Number 6. Jupiter, the giant guardian. And now the giant appears. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, so huge that 1,300 Earths could fit inside. A swirling storm of gas and lightning. Jupiter is like a cosmic guardian. Its massive gravity attracts or deflects dangerous objects that might otherwise hit Earth, protecting life without us even noticing. The Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. Jupiter's moons are worlds of their own. Europa may hide a vast ocean beneath its ice, one of the best places to search for alien life. Ganymede has its own magnetic field. Io is the most volcanic body in the solar system. Jupiter shows us that even within our own neighborhood, entire hidden worlds exist, waiting to be explored. Number 7. Saturn, the beautiful mystery. Next, we arrive at Saturn, a world so stunning it almost feels unreal. Its rings stretch thousands of kilometers but are incredibly thin, made of ice and dust, reflecting sunlight like cosmic diamonds. NASA's Cassini spacecraft revealed Saturn in breathtaking detail, showing that the universe is capable of creating beauty far beyond human imagination. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has rivers, lakes, and seas, but instead of water, they contain liquid methane. Its atmosphere is thick and hazy, and some scientists believe it may have the ingredients for life. Saturn reminds us that the universe is not only violent and mysterious, but beautiful, elegant, and artistic. Number 8. Leaving the solar system. Human footprints in the cosmos. As we move beyond Saturn, the sun begins to shrink, becoming just another star in the sky. Soon we approach the boundary of the heliosphere, the protective bubble formed by the sun's magnetic field. Crossing this line is like stepping into the ocean. After leaving the shore, we enter interstellar space. Only one human-made object has reached this point. Voyager 1 launched in 1977, traveling for nearly half a century, carrying the golden record, a message for whoever might find it someday. Inside is music, greetings and sounds from Earth, a tiny bottle drifting through a cosmic ocean. Voyager is humanity's signature in the galaxy, proof that even if Earth disappears, our voice will continue floating through the stars. Number 9. The edge of the universe. Now we travel beyond anything humanity has measured, passing stars, galaxies, nebulae, and clusters, until we reach the edge of the observable universe. This boundary is not a physical wall. It is simply the farthest distance light has been able to travel since the birth of the universe. The observable universe is about 93 billion light-years wide, yet the real universe may be far larger, perhaps infinite. Beyond this point lies a cosmic fog, a region forever hidden from our eyes. The universe expands faster than light, so parts of it will never be visible. Even with all our technology, we can see less than 1% of what truly exists. This realization is intimidating, but also inspiring. It means the universe still hides secrets beyond imagination, and our journey is far from over. Number 10. Returning home and final message. After witnessing the scale of the universe, we now return to Earth, our small blue home glowing softly in the darkness. When you see Earth from a cosmic perspective, something changes inside you. You realize how tiny we are, yet how meaningful our existence is. We are the only known species that looks up and wonders, that builds rockets, that writes music, that searches for answers. The universe is massive, but so is our ability to understand it and explore it. And if this journey inspired you to think bigger, then continue that mindset by watching the video on your screen about the power of compounding. It shows how small actions can grow into extraordinary results. Just like small stars grow into massive galaxies, click it and continue expanding your universe. Thanks for exploring the universe with me. If you love this cosmic journey, hit that subscribe button and join our curiosity crew. Until next time, keep looking up.